welcome back to another video. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Chera. If this is your first time here, in today's video we are going to be purging this garage. Okay, and this is probably my fourth time that I've purged this garage over the years. I've lived in this house for 5 years, and it just seems like every time I purge it, it just gets filled back up with stuff. Things get out of place. It's just annoying. So I'm starting my spring cleaning early, and I am purging this garage. We are going to be reorganizing this garage, and I have plans to take a breath. I have plans to turn it into a small home gym. So this will be a 2-part video. Today is going to be the purge day, the clean out day, and then I'll be filming the process of me turning this into a small home gym. So if you're ready to get started, if you're ready to clean with me, let's jump right into the video. So this is the current state of the garage. Let me just give you guys an overview. Okay, go here. All right, and then in here, that's my little workstation over there. So I have my iPad, my coffee, and my Bose speaker, so I can do my music up in here and watch my videos. And then so originally when the last purge that I did was we just kind of got rid of some extra stuff. All this stuff here you see in the middle, this was a bigger pile. Okay, it was a bigger pile, but the one previous to that, we installed these racks. So in order to clear more space for this gym area, I have to use this wall space here. So this wall space is just empty. So what I'm going to do is I am going to focus on this side mostly today, and then also going to wash the floor off as well. So that is pretty much the plan for today. I hope that this will not be an all-day event because I still need to braid my hair tonight. If you guys are wondering, I twisted it last night. I showed this in a vlog, my last vlog, so if you missed that vlog, I show a little bit of it in there, so go watch that vlog. By His stripes we're washed clean, and we have the victory. Somebody tell me what song that is. Woo!
My problem. I want to get the marble, but it's a lot of money, you guys, and this is not our forever home by any means. So another thing that I want to talk to you about are my ceilings.
I'm getting ready to put these shelves together. So I have the same ones that I have over there. I'm getting ready to put together. I'm hot. I'm hot. I started this shelf. Sorry, this is an awkward angle, but I don't feel like moving the camera. I started the shelf, as you guys saw in the last clip. It's been like an hour, probably maybe an hour and a half. I got so frustrated. This shelf is a piece of S, okay, a piece of S. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna let this. I'm not gonna let it defeat me. I've put so many things together. This can't be that difficult. So I'm watching a YouTube video to help me to see if maybe there's some tips or something. It does come with instructions. I read the instructions, but they don't give you like those insider tips. So I figured out, I think, how to do it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm hot. I'm hot as shit. Did yours close all the way?
Did who?
Did yours close all the way?
What clothes all the way?
Did the...
You talking about the rack?
Yeah.
Shit, you can just go look at it real quick. I don't think they all were perfect. You got the one in the kitchen, and then you got the two in the garage, right? Take a look real quick. I don't think all of them went down on it. Perfectly.
No, but I'm saying like close tightly around the thing. Yours did go all the way. Yours did go all the way.
Yeah.
What the issue that I'm having is that it's not closing all the way around the pole.
So what I'm saying is that the two pieces that you click together, that the rack,
yeah,
the shelf goes over. Maybe it came off the line. They fit in between the lines.
Yeah.
Did it drag below the line and somehow preventing it from snapping all the way?
No.
All the way?
No, let me show you. I think 5 hours later, y'all. Not even 5 hours. I'm exaggerating. Maybe like 3. That's still a lot. This is what we have. Finally put them together. They're alright. My boyfriend, he put his together last time and they were like perfect. But I'm not gonna sweat it. This was an exhausting experience. Very exhausting. And I have still so much to do, but I know me and I cannot put this off until tomorrow. So especially I have things to do tomorrow. I did not plan, and the garage is not part of it. I definitely didn't think this would take me all day. For some reason I thought this would take me 2 hours. I don't know, I was tripping. But I think I am gonna close out the vlog for today. I'm just gonna try to organize things, and then tomorrow I can give you guys an update on what I did. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are on day 2 of our garage purge and clean out and reorganization. Getting ready to show you what the current status is, but basically I worked until about 9:30 last night just trying to organize things. I'm mostly done. I still have a little bit to do, but today I just want to get rid of all the trash that I need to get rid of, and also I'm going to be sweeping down the floor and just giving the floor a rinse. I do own a pressure washer, but I don't know how to use it and I'm not that brave, so I'm just going to use the hose to hose it down, just give it a nice good rinse. I'm gonna blow it also, and then and then it'll be all done and ready and prepped for our small gym. So we are on part 2 of this garage clean out series. So let me give you guys a tour of what the current situation is. And let me just point out that yes, I do have new hair. I braided my hair last night like I said I was, even though I was dead ass tired. But I did it and I'm done. I'm happy it's done, and now I don't have to worry about my hair for the next couple of weeks. So okay, so as far as this side goes, I got everything cleared up. The dining room table that was in the middle of the floor, I put behind here. I am trying to sell it, but we might just carry it with us when we move to our next house. And so this is just like all of the furniture type stuff. We have tires that we're saving because there's good tires, but we don't want to let them go. But this is all of our lawn stuff, and we can still access this stuff. And so it's not like with this being here, it like blocks it off. It's up high enough and we still can access it when we do our yard work. And then I reorganized a little bit over here, but not too much. I put all the luggages in one rack because I had this one was down here, but now it's here, so that all the luggages are there. Have most of the Christmas decorations here. I put some electronics, just things that I know we're not going to use. I also have a little bit more just space down here for me to be able to store stuff. So I have more like garden stuff and, you know, outdoor stuff that we use, and then more garden stuff here. I might even switch it just so that it looks like it's all together. And then over here, I totally organized this. This was a hot damn mess, but I got rid of stuff that's expired, stuff we don't use. So I cleared all that out and just kind of made sections. So here's just like my overflow of like just houseware stuff, like vases. I have this water bottle that I got on Amazon for $20, but it's gigantic, okay? But I don't want to throw it away. I have our little summer pitcher for like when we have cookouts. Here's like some random tall things right there. Just we have our cups for cookouts, you know, the red cups. This is our miscellaneous little section down here. We have our buckets. Here is all of the car stuff here, light bulbs, extras of stuff. You know, some food items, which I'm gonna make make these 2 food places. I don't know what I want to say, but they're food places. And then this is all of our household cleaning stuff, and then more random stuff down there. So like random kitchen stuff. So that's that. And then up here is our tissue. This is a little bright. That's better. Up here is our toilet tissue, paper towels, fan that we need to use like for when we're working out. This is our iMac box. I want to keep it for when we do move. We can put our iMac, we can pack it properly, so we hold on to our Apple boxes. Does anybody else do that? Is that just me? I just feel like they cost so much, so we need to save the packaging, you know? And I don't want to. So then we have the mirrors here. I moved them over here. They have to be attached to the wall. That's a project for my honey. I have to still figure out what I'm going to do with the exercise stuff. So I haven't figured out, like, all of this is exercise stuff, and I haven't really figured out what. No, this is exercise stuff. I have exercise stuff in this bin, and then I got a couple of new things yesterday. I'm going to hang this level on the wall, and then we have our tools. We have excess stuff, just storage here from just excess storage. My racks came out crooked, y'all. I'll show y'all a picture of it. Ooh, there's a spider. Ooh. And then over here, I have, in this container, it's just mostly like electronics and just stuff we want to save electronic wise, just stuff that I know that we're going to need at some point. More storage. Oh, this is all of the paint. Okay, I got a little store. This is all of the paint that I've used. Look at all this spray paint, y'all. What in the hell? What in the hell am I doing? Like, really? Why do I have all this spray paint? And most of this stuff is brand new. I haven't used it. So I'm keeping it. And then we have more Christmas stuff, because I buy new Christmas stuff every year. I probably will need to clean out some of my Christmas stuff. Then up here we have some decor. items, just leftover decor that I want to keep. And then in here is like all of our like grill kind of stuff, our candle wicks. You can see like our tiki torches, you know, when we go to the beach, coolers, stuff like that. Try to organize it in categories as much as I could. And then here is trash. So today's mission is to get rid of all of this. So it actually looks really good in here, nice and clean, nice and organized. And I'm going to close out the video, guys, and I will see you in part 3, which is going to be us creating our small gym. So I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.